जय हिंद मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे इस नए वीडियो में। आज के इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा कि एनआईटी अगरतला का जो आर्यभट्ट बॉयज हॉस्टल है उसका एक रूम कैसा दिखता है। एज ऑफ 2026 ओनली सेकंड एंड थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स आर जनरली अलॉटेड रूम इन दिस हॉस्टल। सेकंड ईयर को डबल बेडरूम मिलता है एंड थर्ड ईयर को सिंगल बेडरूम मिलता है। All the room are same in size, whether it is double bed or single bed. As of May 2026, currently I am in third year, so I have been allotted a single bedroom. In this video, I will be showing you everything that hostel authority give to student when you get a new room. So please watch this video till the end. You will find many interesting facts about this hostel. So let's go. So whenever you will enter in this room, you will find everything that you need to live a luxurious life. So I will show them one by one. So let's go. So first of all, you will see a fan, then you will see a tube light, and you will find 3 socket here and 1 socket here. You also find a chair and a study table, and you will find a single bed, and you also find a window of this size, which will give you view like this. And also you will find a big almirah like this, which is quite large for single like me. And you will find stacks like this where you can put your stuffs and things. So this is the room, you can see this. That is another block, and currently I am in block F. And now I will show you the washroom and drinking water source of this hostel. So this is the washroom. This looks like this. Here you can find big mirror, and here is the bathroom. Here you can find Jio Wi-Fi, and you will get 2 GB per day. And there you can find water source. And this is the view from the balcony of this hostel. So this was the complete tour of my room in NIT Agartala Aryabhatta Hostel. So if you find this video helpful and interesting, please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel so that we can meet in next video. So till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Hind.